Hello everyone, ready to dive deep into your wallet, not literally but figuratively. Today we are uncovering some truly eye-popping statistics about the average person's finances. How much does the typical person really save? What's the average debt load? And most importantly, how do you stack up against these numbers, whether you're way ahead of the curve or slightly behind? Understanding these figures can give you incredible insights into your own financial health. So, let's peel back the layers of financial stats and see where you stand in this grand financial tapestry. Savings shockers. In the realm of personal finance, the state of savings across the average household reveals some truly startling statistics that underscore our widespread financial vulnerability. A significant number of people, it turns out, are living on the very edge of the means, with a shockingly small buffer against life's unforeseen emergencies. Recent data suggests that an alarming high percentage of individuals have less than $1,000 in savings, and what's more, many have no savings at all. This lack of financial cushion exposes them to potential disaster with even smaller financial upsides. Take for instance the case of Emily. Her financial journey epitomizes the predicament faced by many. Emily, a graphic designer by profession, had always found it difficult to save. The concept of setting aside money was overshadowed by immediate needs and wants, a common scenario for many working individuals. Everything seemed manageable until an unexpected medical emergency struck, leading to significant expenses that her insurance did not cover. This event drained her already meager savings, plunging her into a stressful financial situation. Emily's experience is a stark illustration of the precarious position that lacking adequate savings can put someone in. It highlights a critical issue. Without savings, there is no safety net to fall back on. Emily's wake-up call led her to reassess her financial habits. She started by setting small, achievable goals and committing to save a portion of her income each month. She automated her savings to ensure that a percentage of every paycheck went directly into a savings account, a strategy that helped her slowly but steadily build a buffer against future financial shocks. Her story is not just about the challenges but also about the solutions. Emily's approach to saving, starting small and being consistent, can be a blueprint for others. It demonstrates that building savings isn't necessarily about making large sacrifices, but rather about making smarter choices and prioritizing long-term financial security over immediate gratification. Regularly setting aside even a small amount can grow over time, offering not just financial security but also peace of mind. Emily's turnaround from a savings novice to someone with a growing safety net provides a powerful message. It's never too late to start saving. Her journey underscores the importance of personal savings, not just as a financial metric, but as an essential buffer that enables individuals to handle life's ups and downs without falling into debt. It serves as a compelling call to action for everyone to examine their savings strategies and make necessary adjustments to avoid being caught unprepared. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. With that dilemma, in today's consumer-driven society, debt has become a ubiquitous part of financial life. But its impact is often underestimated until it spirals into a full-blown crisis. The average person's relationship with debt, spanning credit cards, student loans, and auto loans, reveals a precarious balancing act. High interest rates and the lure of easy credit can transform manageable balances into overwhelming burdens, ensnaring individuals in a relentless cycle of payments that barely touch the principal amount. John's story vividly illustrates this debt dilemma. Once a cash credit card user, John saw his balances creep up as he navigated life's typical expenses, from home repairs to unexpected medical bills. Each month, he paid just the minimum, only allowing interest to compound and his total debts to balloon. The turning point came when he tallied his debts and faced the staggering total, a sum that exceeded half his annual salary. Determined to escape this cycle, John adopted a strategic approach to debt reduction. He prioritized his debts by interest rates, directing extra payments towards the highest rates first, a method known as the avalanche approach. He tightened his budget, cutting non-essential expenses and funneling the savings into his debt. Moreover, John took on a part-time job specifically to increase his debt repayment rate. This disciplined and multifaceted strategy gradually yielded results, turning what once seemed an insurmountable obstacle into a manageable task. John's journey out of debt is not just a personal victory, but a case study in effective debt management. It underscores the importance of understanding the true cost of borrowing and the psychological and financial freedom that comes from shedding debt. His experience highlights several key strategies for others ensnared in similar situations: awareness of spending patterns that lead to debt, prioritization of debts for payments, and the crucial role for budgeting in financial recovery. The broader lesson from John's story is about the power of proactive debt management. It shows that while debt can be a useful tool for managing cash flow and facilitating major purchases, it requires careful handling to prevent it from overpowering one's financial health. John's narrative serves as a powerful reminder that with the right strategies and sufficient determination, climbing out of debt is not only possible but can pave the way to a more secure and financially sound future. By addressing the dilemma head-on and sharing stories like John's, the aim is to empower others to take control of their finances, break free from the burden of debt, and reclaim their economic independence. This proactive stance against debt is not just about clearing balances, but about building a foundation for future financial success and stability. Income insights. In a world where the cost of living continuously rises, effectively managing and potentially increasing one's income becomes not just a strategy for comfort, but a necessity for survival and financial growth. The median household income, when peeled back layer by layer, often reveals a complex story of individuals hustling to make ends meet, highlighting the importance of not just earning, but optimizing and supplementing one's earnings. Lisa's story brings this narrative to life. As a dedicated school teacher, she loved her job and the impact she had on her students, but she found her salary barely covered her living expenses, let alone allowed for savings or luxury. Like many in her position, Lisa faced a financial plateau. Her salary increases were marginal and did not keep pace with inflation. This realization sparked a turning point where she decided to take control of her financial destiny. Driven by her passion for education and savvy with social media, Lisa started a small business creating educational content online. Initially, it was a side project born from her desire to share her knowledge, but it quickly tapped into a growing demand for accessible and engaging educational materials. As her following grew, so did her revenue streams through advertising, sponsored content, and direct sales of her materials. Lisa's success story is a compelling example of how traditional income sources can be supplemented by innovative thinking and entrepreneurship. Her experience underscores the concept of income elasticity. By diversifying her income sources, she not only cushioned herself against economic shifts, but also significantly enhanced her financial well-being. Her approach involved leveraging her existing skills and resources in a new, profitable way while still engaging in work that was deeply fulfilling. Moreover, Lisa's journey highlights the broader implications of income insights in today's economy. It showcases the potential within reach where individuals reassess their unique skills and market demands. In doing so, it challenges the traditional notion that income growth is solely contingent on primary job advancements. Instead, it presents a dynamic model where financial improvement is driven by creativity, adaptability, and the proactive pursuit of opportunities. By exploring stories like Lisa's, the conversation around income is expanded to include strategies that individuals can employ to enhance their earnings effectively. It is about recognizing that in an ever-evolving economic landscape, the pathways to increasing one's income are as diverse as the people seeking them. Her story not only inspires but also serves as a practical guide for others to reevaluate their own skills and interests as potential catalysts for financial enhancement. This reassessment and subsequent action in turn is tied from merely surviving financially to thriving, even in challenging economic times. Today's deep dive into the average person's financial stats isn't just about understanding numbers, it's about seeing where you stand and taking control of your financial destiny. Whether it's boosting your savings like Emily, tackling debts like John, or enhancing your income like Lisa, every step you take is a step towards greater financial empowerment. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.